Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Today we are making beef stroganoff. Guys, this is a classic, super easy, super delicious dish. You guys are going to love this recipe, and I'm going to show you how we do it right here. So let's get started with these ingredients. We have egg noodles, better than bouillon, beef flavor, Worcestershire sauce, some whole grain mustard, heavy cream, that's going to be for our sauce, and we got mushrooms. And now we're just going to slice up our sirloin steak. And here's a trick to keep that beef nice and tender. We're going to get this pan nice and hot to sear them off. Next thing up we're going to do is chop up our garlic cloves. I'm using about 3 cloves here. We're going to mince it nice and fine. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Next thing up, get your pan on medium-high heat with a little avocado oil in there, or whatever oil you like to use. We're going to start adding in our beef one at a time. Until we realize it takes too long, so we just start dumping it in. Get that beef a cooking. Alright guys, once our beef is in, we're going to season with kosher salt and fresh cracked black pepper. We're just looking to get a nice sear, so a few minutes on one side here. Alright, now we can flip, and you'll start to see that nice color on each individual piece of beef. And also guys, I just want to take a minute to say thank you so much for the support you've shown so far. Every comment, every like, every subscriber, I really appreciate you guys. We're going to build this channel up from ground zero, I'm telling you what. Just stick out with me, we're going to make some good stuff. Make sure we're telling everybody and we're sharing this video. Oh man, guys, this smells so good. I wish y'all were here to smell this. It is 2025. We don't have smell-o-vision yet. Something's wrong. Alright, so once that's done, here's a cool little trick. Take your paper towel, and we're going to soak up all that excess oil and fat. Alright, once that is done, remove that paper towel, remove that steak from the pan, and in goes our mushrooms. We just want to get a nice little color on these guys, so we're going to throw in some butter. Let that baby melt and give it a good mix. And once our mushrooms have softened up, in goes that chopped garlic that we did earlier. And again guys, the reason we put the garlic in later is so it doesn't burn as easy, because garlic has that tendency to do so. Once we give that a good mix, we can also season those mushrooms with salt and pepper. Seasoning, we gotta layer it guys, so everything we put in the pan needs a little salt and pepper. The worst thing in the world is bland food, I'm telling you guys. Oh, Alright, once that's done, this is beef stroganoff, so we gotta up that beef flavor with some better than bouillon. Then we'll throw in a little water to create a broth. Give that a good mix. Alright, next thing up, we're going to hit this with some flour, about a tablespoon or so, just to help thicken this sauce up a little bit. It does curdle up a little bit here, but that's okay. We're about to throw in some heavy cream, and once that cream hits the pan, all those curdles disappear, and it becomes the perfect texture. Oh yeah, y'all gonna love this. So give that a good mix. Alright, next thing we're gonna hit this with is some Worcestershire, whole grain mustard. Mix that in. Oh yeah, good and nice taste. I think it needs a little more salt and pepper, so we're going to add that in now. Yeah, now you can start seeing that sauce thicken up. And we're just at a low to medium heat right here, guys. We just want to see that thing simmer. Now we're adding in the good stuff. We got some shaved Parmesan going in the pan. Not a whole lot, just a little touch. That's why we don't overdo it on the salt and pepper. Well, the salt mainly because that Parmesan cheese is pretty salty. So that's a good balance there. Then we go in with our steak. Mix that in the pan. Coat every single piece. Oh man, that looks good. See that cheese all nice and melted. Alright guys, now we got the pasta, and we just cooked that the directions of the box. So get all that mixed together. Oh yeah, finish off with a little chive. Oh man. Y'all just look. And I know you want to bite, because I do. And I ate so many bites of this, you wouldn't believe it.